I'm going to measure a very basic tabletop, square edges. This one here in this direction is showing up at 1202 millimeters, maybe a little bit less. And we'll measure the other direction. And again, it's 1202, maybe just that little bit less, but we'll work off 1202 as a measurement for now. Now, if we were to measure a glass and order a glass at 1202 by 1202 and line the glass up with the edge nice and flush like this, when viewed from above, it looks fine. It looks like a good measurement, but just when you look from a more natural angle view that, say, somebody the far side of the table might view, you'll see it looks a little bit big. So we'd recommend taking 3 millimeters off the measurement, making it 1199 by 1199. And when you put that slightly smaller tabletop on, it just fits a little bit better.